Nice.
Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of the Project Race Mower. This is Tupperware Party. Today we're working on getting this shifter to work. Okay, so yesterday I was trying to get the shifter to work and it needs to go like that. Okay, now we gotta weld these. My welds broke where it fit best. I just tacked it and I did some prying. Now next thing we gotta do is take this carb and everything off of this. I want to say it's a 10 mil, which is in my hand. 10 mil. 10 mil. Way smaller than the 10 mil. Imagine if I just grabbed the right size socket or a wrench. That's too easy. I'm gonna give this thing a thorough cleaning. I lost some footage. Battery was dead, I mean. Putting the carb on, the new engine. Come on. Okay, you got the carb on. Throttle, so it throttles it. Vroom, 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 vroom. Maybe it's backwards. I don't know. That's what that's for. Alrighty then. Now I need to make a battery spot for this. What's in that? Okay, next up we're gonna paint this. So let's do that. Okay, we're back at Josh's shop to the tractor graveyard. I need a seat, so I'm probably going to take the seat off that one, the one I took the motor out of. Okay, let's add some racing words. Oh, Nikes, man. There's one more thing I wanted to try. I got some seat, this stuff, this seat covering stuff. And I want to go around the metally bits. I just don't know how far I can make it. Oh, I can make it quite far, actually. Oh yeah. Okay, here he is. What a unit. On part 3, we're gonna get the motor going and driving this thing. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.